In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a circle using the drawing tool in Google Docs. Whether you're making diagrams, illustrations, or simply enhancing your document's visual appeal, knowing how to insert shapes is a handy skill. So let's dive right in and get started. First off, you'll want to open your Google Docs document. Make sure you're logged into your Google account so you can access your documents. Once you're in Google Docs, either create a new document or open an existing one where you'd like to insert your circle. Now that your document is open, it's time to access the drawing tool. This tool will allow you to create various shapes, including the circle we want to work with. To open the drawing tool, look at the top menu bar and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, navigate to Drawing and then click on Plus New. Doing this will open up the Google Drawing window, a versatile space where you can manipulate and customize your shape. In the Google Drawing window, the next step is to add a circle. Start by clicking on the shape icon, which resembles a circle and a square. A drop-down menu will appear when you click the icon. Hover over Shapes and then select Oval. You're ready to draw your circle now. Click and drag on the canvas to create a circle. For those of you who are looking for precision, here's a useful tip. Hold down the Shift key while dragging the shape. This will ensure your oval turns into a perfect circle, maintaining equal proportions from all sides. Once your circle is sized to your liking, you can begin customizing it. Customization adds a personal touch and can help your circle stand out in the document. To change the fill color of your circle, click on the paint bucket icon and choose a color from the palette that suits your needs. Similarly, you can change the border color by clicking the pencil icon. This allows you to complement the fill color, adding contrast or harmony as desired. You may also want to adjust the border weight, which determines the thickness of your circle's outline. You can do this by selecting the border weight option and choosing the thickness that fits best with your document's design. After you're satisfied with the design and customization of your circle, it's time to save and insert it into your document. Simply click on Save and Close at the top right of the drawing window. This action will automatically insert the circle into your Google Docs document exactly where you had your cursor placed. And there you have it, a customized circle added seamlessly to enhance your document. I hope this step-by-step guide was easy to follow and helps you in your future projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy documenting!